Hello everyone, Lurgs here, and today how to duplicate videos on your iPhone. This is creating an exact copy of video or videos. It's a good idea to do this if you're editing any videos, because if you muck it up then at least you've got the original to fall back on. Take your iPhone, then go into the Photos app. If I scroll down, I've got these 3 videos which I want to create duplicates of. Let's just check out one of these. It's just a video of my Star Wars cabinet. So I want to create duplicates of all of these. So press the select button at the top, then use your finger to select the 3 videos. Then in the bottom left hand corner, select this icon. If you scroll down, you've got an option called duplicate. If you then select this will then create a duplicate of all the videos or photos that you've selected. So you can see there's the 3 originals and there's the 3 duplicates. It's a good idea to create duplicates of any videos before you start editing them, because then if anything goes wrong, at least you've got the originals. Whilst I'm taking this important call, in the top right there's a link on how to sort your notes alphabetically. That's really useful. And in the top left, how to have a full screen photo of the person who's calling you when they're calling you on your iPhone. And in the bottom left, how to disable live photos on your iPhone permanently. I hope that was useful.